Demystifying Nominalization, Mastering Academic Vocabulary. Hello, English language learners. Today we're diving deep into the world of academic writing. A key feature of this style is something called nominalization. But don't worry if you're not familiar with this term yet. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what it means but also how to use it effectively in your own writing. So, let's get started. To put it simply, nominalization is the process of turning other parts of speech, like verbs or adjectives, into nouns. In academic writing, it's used to express complex ideas succinctly and formally. This can make your writing more sophisticated and precise, which is why it's such an important tool to master. Let's look at a few examples to understand this concept better. If we have the verb, investigate, the nominalized form would be, investigation. Or, take the adjective, creative, in its nominalized form, it becomes, creativity. Pretty straightforward, right? So, why should we bother with nominalization? The answer is simple. It condenses information and adds an air of formality and objectivity to your writing. It also allows you to highlight the action or concept you're discussing, rather than the person performing the action. For instance, instead of writing, scientists conducted an investigation into the matter, we could say, the investigation of the matter took place. Here, the focus shifts to the process, the investigation, rather than who carried it out. While nominalization can elevate your writing, it's also important not to overuse it. Too much nominalization can make your sentences heavy and difficult to understand. So, always strive for balance. Use nominalization to be concise and formal, but don't sacrifice clarity. That wraps up our introduction to nominalization in academic writing. We hope this video helped clarify this concept and its importance in your journey to mastering advanced English vocabulary. Remember, learning is a process. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we grow. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep improving your English. Happy writing!